Welcome to the vibrant world of Malaysian cuisine. Malaysia, a melting pot of cultures, boasts a rich culinary tapestry woven with Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences. Join me on a culinary adventure as we explore the intricate flavors and aromas of three iconic Malaysian dishes: nasi lemak, chicken rendang, and roti jala. These dishes are not just recipes, they are stories passed down through generations, each ingredient whispering tales of tradition and heritage. Get ready to embark on a sensory journey that will tantalize your taste buds and transport you to the heart of Malaysian kitchens. Nasi lemak, the national dish of Malaysia, is a fragrant delight that captures the essence of Malaysian flavors. This dish is a symphony of textures and aromas, with creamy coconut rice as its heart. To recreate this iconic dish, you will need, for the rice, white rice, coconut milk, pandan leaves, and salt. For the sambal, dried chilies, shallots, garlic, belacan, shrimp paste, oil, sugar, and tamarind pulp. And for the accompaniments, fried anchovies, roasted peanuts, cucumber slices, hard-boiled eggs, and fried chicken. Begin by rinsing the rice and cooking it with coconut milk, pandan leaves, and salt. While the rice simmers, prepare the sambal by blending the ingredients into a fiery paste and then frying it until fragrant. Chicken rendang is a dish that embodies the art of slow cooking. Tender chicken pieces are simmered in a rich and aromatic coconut gravy, infused with a medley of spices. The key to a flavorful rendang lies in the spice paste, a harmonious blend of lemongrass, galangal, ginger, turmeric, and chilies. These spices, along with shallots, garlic, and karasik, toasted coconut, are ground into a paste that forms the base of the gravy. The chicken is then browned and slowly cooked in the spice paste with coconut milk, kaffir lime leaves, and tamarind pulp. The dish is simmered until the chicken is incredibly tender and the gravy is thick and rich. Roti jala, meaning net bread, is a delicate and lacy pancake that is a popular accompaniment to curries. This visually stunning bread is made with a simple batter of flour, eggs, turmeric powder, and coconut milk, which is then poured through a special ladle to create its signature net-like pattern. The accompanying curry is typically a flavorful chicken curry, but you can also enjoy roti jala with other curries or even a simple lentil dal. The contrast of the soft, lacy bread with the rich and savory curry is a match made in culinary heaven. Each of these dishes offers a unique flavor profile, showcasing the diversity of Malaysian cuisine. Nasi lemak is a balance of creamy, savory, and spicy flavors, with the fragrant coconut rice complementing the fiery sambal and crunchy toppings. Chicken rendang is a symphony of savory, spicy, and slightly tangy notes, with the tender chicken absorbing the complex flavors of the spice paste and coconut gravy. Roti jala, with its subtle sweetness and delicate texture, provides the perfect canvas for the rich and flavorful curries. Cooking Malaysian food is not just about following recipes. It's about embarking on a culinary journey, discovering new flavors, and appreciating the cultural significance behind each dish. The process of preparing these dishes is as rewarding as savoring them. From the rhythmic pounding of spices to the gentle simmering of curries, each step is an opportunity to connect with the heart of Malaysian cuisine. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's recreate the magic of Malaysian flavors in your own kitchen. Cooking is an act of love, and nowhere is this more evident than in Malaysian kitchens. Malaysian food is made with passion, with each ingredient carefully selected and prepared to create a symphony of flavors. As you cook these dishes, remember to infuse them with your own love and passion. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors, adjust spice levels to your liking, and make these recipes your own. In Malaysian culture, food is more than just sustenance, it's a way of life. Meals are a time for families and friends to come together, share stories, and strengthen bonds. The act of sharing food is an expression of love, generosity, and hospitality. So when you prepare these Malaysian delights, invite your loved ones to join you at the table. Share not just the food, but also the stories and traditions that make Malaysian cuisine so special. As you savor the fragrant nasi lemak, the rich chicken rendang, and the delicate roti jala, let your taste buds transport you to the bustling streets and warm homes of Malaysia. May these dishes bring a taste of Malaysian culture and hospitality to your table, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for the art of Malaysian cooking. So go ahead, explore the world of Malaysian flavors, and discover the joy of recreating these culinary treasures in your own kitchen. Selamat menjamu selera. Enjoy your meal.